Hi, Gurmeet. Today you were here in Noida at SSB Wings Center and you just got done with your GS mock after the English one. How has your experience been so far?
एक्चुअली मैं यहाँ आया था अपना जीके का मूव देने कि देखने की कि जीके कैसी है मेरी, और मेरे को पता चला कि यहाँ पे जीके मेरी बहुत वीक है। और पेपर बहुत अच्छा बनाया था, टफ बनाया था। और एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मेरे को यहाँ से मिला।
Perfect. My experience is quite good with the English, and as far as the UPSC conduct English exam, it is it in this exam mock exam the new pattern has been inducted, which helped me boost my performance for the exam. And talking about the GS experience, it was quite difficult for me for the static portion, as I am preparing I had prepared current affairs more. Perfect. Thank you, man.
Yes, first starting from the atmosphere is completely similar to the CDS exam conducted by UPSC, and both the exams level it is almost similar to the CDS exam. And one more thing I want to add is that the level of GS exam it is tougher as compared to the mocks on other websites. And if we are scoring good marks in this kind of level examination, then it will be very helpful for us to score good level of marks in the CD examinations. So the experience was amazing, and I also request to sir to conduct these kind of exam on frequently, of course, for FCAT exams also and other exams also. Thank you.
Exam. However, GS paper, I believe there was a considerable amount of current affairs that was asked, and it was really broadened my horizon when it comes to knowing about certain things. And in geography part, there was a lot of Indian geography involved. However, being from a science background myself, it was quite a cup of tea for me and a cakewalk for me to attempt all those questions. So that was in the gist.
The experience was really as per the what CDS UPSC the exams conduct. The questions were at that level also, and we there was like questions which we find struggle in the eliminating the options. So it was a real like exam scenario. In English also the pattern was similar to what UPSC used to conduct, and also the new patterns have been inducted. So overall it was a competitive paper which where we found difficulties, but yet that is what UPSC also does in the real examination. So it was a very good mock as compared to what just a week ahead.